This could either go really good or really bad, regardless of the fact it's still happening. So, a couple weeks ago, I bought these. Don't know what these are. These are hair paint wax. Now what this is, it is a temporary like hair dye, especially that works really well, especially for natural hair. Well, I don't know if it works well because I never tried it. So we're gonna try it on camera today. First off, this is not sponsored, as if I would ever get sponsored, which will probably never happen in a million years. Never tried this before. The only reason why I know about this is because my mom told me about it, and this is the closest I will ever get to actually dyeing my hair. So, yeah. I got two colors. I got silver and I got red, which looks pink, but apparently it's like red, even though it looks like really pink. Whatever. I'm going to try to do the silver one. So the instructions say, use a small to moderate amount of hair color wax and apply it to damp hair. Apply the hair starting from bottom up by using your fingertips. Once you have applied, set the hair and allow it to dry. So I gotta spray my hair. Meant to do that. I have my spray bottle right here. Just gonna spray my hair a little bit. My hair is already like fairly damp since I like put like stuff in it before this. Just may remind you that I literally got work like in like an hour. So this is gonna be fun. Regardless, I still gotta wear a hat for work. So I mean, it's not that bad. Also, I got a job. I forgot to mention that. Like, I'm a working adult now. Barely functioning adult. Is it the best job in the world? Not really. But I still get paid. So my friends, am happy. This is like a lot more like liquidy or like whatever than I thought. So I was really gonna do like half and half. That's why I got the red, like go like full Todoroki style. But I decided not to do that, and I decided to pull an Edwin. If you don't know who Edwin is, he is a member of the boy band Pretty Much. And a while back, he dyed his hair blue. Put a picture of it like right now. Honestly, the blue was like his best hair color. Like, you can't change my mind. I really liked how Edwin did his hair, where it was just like the top of his hair and like he didn't go all the way down to the roots. So I'm going to attempt to do that. Not sure if it's gonna work, but we're about to find out. This is like really like more liquidy than like more. It's not like I thought it was gonna be like a gel. It's like not really a gel. Well, it's hair wax. Ignore what I say. Where should we start? We're just gonna start with the small section. So it's like that, I guess. I'm not sure if this is working. So yeah, I got a job. I'm about to start my senior year in high school. Never thought I would make it this far. If I'm being totally honest with you, I did not think that we would reach this point in my life, but here I am, about to be a senior, and I'm about to graduate, and I have no idea what I want to do once I get out of high school still. So, love that. Is this? Hold on, let me look in my mirror. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. This is definitely not what I was going for, but you know, it still works. So depending on like your hair texture, that depends on how it'll like come out. It's not coming out like Edwin's. Yeah, this is not coming out like Edwin's hair. I wanted to do the Edwin. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna just call it the Edwin. I wanted to look like Edwin. Alright, you know what? Screw it. We're just gonna, you know, just go all out. Just do my whole head. I don't know why that sounded sexual to me. Is it looking good? It sounds really like I don't know why it has like a familiar smell to me for some reason. I've smelled this before. I don't know if that's making sense. I'm probably not making any sense. Not gonna lie, it looks kind of good. That kind of looks good. If I'm being honest with you, there are definitely like more parts that are more silver than other parts, like this part right here. Probably the back of my head. Does that look good? Definitely looks more white than it does silver. Why is it when I look on it on like my phone, it looks like silver, but then when I look in the mirror, it looks white. Like, what? Just gonna put a little bit more. You know, I'm honestly glad that I kind of cut my hair off, because if I would have done my full hair, I feel like this wouldn't look good if I had like my long hair. I just realized I never actually explained as to why I cut my hair. I just kind of popped up with short hair, like literally out of nowhere. But the main reason why I cut my hair, I literally cut it on impulse. I was in California and I literally woke up one day and I was just like, I want to cut my hair. So I texted my mom, because she wasn't with me. I texted my mom asking her, hey, can I cut my hair? She was like, yeah. And here we are. Do I miss my long hair? Yes. Do I look good with short hair? Also yes. Also, did I mention this was the way that I came out to my mom as bisexual? This is literally how I came out to my mother as bisexual. The day that I got back out to California, she was like, I was literally chilling on the couch and she asked me, just like out of nowhere, why did you cut your hair? And I was like, oh, I just felt like cutting my hair. And then she asked me, is this your way of coming out to me? And I was just like, I can't English. She tells me that like, oh, yeah, like I kind of knew that like there was something off about you. I just wasn't sure because of like the way that you dressed. And well, I mean, not that there was something off with me, but she like kind of had a feeling that I wasn't straight. But me cutting off my hair was just like, yeah, she liked girls. Bro, look at my hands. Look at my hands. Jeez. Alright, I think that is about as silver as it is going to get. It's not what I expected, but like I said, or like what this thing said, it depends on like your hair texture. So I don't know if it if I were to have like a kinkier hair texture or what, if it were to come out like darker, because this kind of looks, because like in person it looks like more white than it does silver. Like actually, yeah, from like a distance it looks white, but then close up it looks silver. Now we just gotta dry my hair, wash my hands, and hopefully this looks better. Update. It came from a hair dryer, so love that. Yeah, the only thing is that because my hair is still wet, some of the coloring comes off, and I have to wear a hat for work. So hopefully my hair dries quickly, because I gotta leave in like literally half an hour. And in all seriousness, it didn't turn out horrible. It's not really that bad. I feel like that it would have looked better with my short hair, because if it was like, you know, if I still had my fro, I would have had to dye all of my hair, and I feel like it looks better with my short hair, especially because like I cut the sides, so like the black and the silver contrast nicely. I don't know if that made sense. I'm not making any sense. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. all of that. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.